To wire money to Chase. Start by opening the Chase mobile app on your phone and logging into your account. Navigate to the bottom of the home screen and tap Pay and Transfers, then select either Account Transfers or Brokerage Transfers. Enter the amount you want to transfer and choose the Chase account you want to transfer from and to. If you want to set up a recurring transfer, use the Repeat Transfer toggle button to select your preferred transfer day and add a memo if desired. Once you've entered all the necessary information, tap Transfer and confirm the details. If everything is correct, proceed by tapping Yes. You will then receive confirmation that your wire money transfer was successful. Finally, tap Done to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily wire money to Chase using the mobile app.